Hello, Mario. In this video I'm going to show you how to print to PDF and from the Moodle site. So here's this Moodle site's in development, so there's some bits and pieces that are going to change over time to what you see, but generally you'll see something like this. So what we're going to do here is just do the second activity here, the technology survey. And so we're going to click on the survey, and then we're going to print or take a copy of the survey before we submit it. So here's our technology survey, and it opens up there just so we can maximize that like so. And let's crack in and do the survey. I'll just show you how to do that. So first thing is to type your name in here. Morris O'Neill is my name, so I'll type that one in there, and I've spelled it wrong as I usually do with my caps lock and what have you. Morris O'Neill. So that'll tell me what I've got. And then technology. What technology? We're just trying to get a bit of a handle on what you as a student have available. So yes, Morris, I have a desktop computer. I also have a laptop. I don't have a tablet as yet, and I have a smartphone. I don't have a cell phone. I do have I have a camera and a digital camera, and I also have the camera facilities on my phone, and I have separate video camera, and I also have a video camera on my phone as well. Yes, I do have a scanner. It's very important for scanning bits. I have a television at home, so sometimes I can hook my laptop up to my television. I have a video recorder and receiver, so I can play back videos and DVDs and stuff like that. I do have a voice recorder. I have never got into gaming, so I don't have a Xbox or PlayStation, and quite frankly it shows when you see my skills in that area. And others, I can't think of anything else there. So there's our technology survey, question 3 now. How do you rate yourself? Where do you think you fit into the spectrum of dealing with technology? Well, I'm not going to admit to being a guru. I don't know everything, but I think I'm sort of a little bit expert, or probably somewhere between an operator and an expert, but I'm going to say I'm an expert. I can get most things to work, and most things to do what I want them to do, and if I can't, I can Google things and get things sorted. So I'm just going to click expert there for me, though that may be overegging it a bit. And a comment here about your relationship with technology and that sort of thing. So yeah, I will give most technology a go, and usually after a period of time can get it to do what I want. Okay, so that's that bit there done, and that's the survey completed, and we now want to submit the survey here in through the process. However, keep a copy of the completed survey for your records. So this is what we're going to be looking at here. All with engineering and surveying and civil engineering, it's important that we keep our records in a reasonably sort of logical manner, and in this case here, everything that you do on the course Land Surveying 1 needs to be kept. You need to keep a record. You need to prove that there may be, through the technology or whatever, you may need to prove that you have actually done the survey, as it's everything is recorded. So, and I'm going to be looking at putting together a journal of all your work, and this needs to be included in it to show that what you've done it. So we need to keep records of everything we do, and what that means, and that's digital records, not paper records. We're going to focus on digital records. So what we need to do is to print this to PDF. Now there's a number of ways of doing this. One is we can just right click on here, and there it is, it says print, and then we have to over here, there it is, there's a preview of it there. It's going to be in a couple of pages there, but we haven't got too much control over that. But there it is, there's your completed survey there, and we're going to just make sure up in here that you've got it saved as a PDF, so you're actually printing it to a PDF there. I just might save that as a PDF, and then we go save, and it's going to do that. Now it's going to ask you where you want to put it, so you might put that in like here I'm in my documents, so this is possibly the first one I've done there, so I might create a folder here, and I'm going to call that land surveying. Oh, I wish I could spell these things. SURVEY, land surveying 1. So I'm going to have everything from this course in that folder, land surveying 1, which is in my documents. I would recommend that you put everything on a flash drive or something like that. That would be the idea, but just to get here, and then in land surveying 1, this one here, yes, well, I can just put it in there in the technology survey, and I'll just save it there, and there you are. It should be saved in there as a form, and we'll just in a minute we'll go back, and then of course don't forget to submit the form. But before we do that, sometimes when we right click on here the print doesn't come up, so there is another way of doing it, and that is to do a hold down the control key and push P, control P, and that achieves the same thing there, and we've got it save as a PDF here. In some cases it may come up as a printer, and you'll need to well, I'll just click on the change button here and see there's all the various options. You can send it to various printers and send it to OneNote and different things, but here we have got it to save as a PDF, so that's what we want to do. But I've already saved it, so I'm just going to escape out of there. Here we are back to our survey, and we just push submit here, and that should submit our technology survey. Thanks, your space has been recorded. Cheers, maurieo. So that's all very good. We'll just pop out of there for a moment, and I'll just come over here now and just have a quick look at that I've saved that file. It's always handy to know. So we'll just go to explore. I've right clicked on the start there, just going to explore and trying to find my documents. Here we go. Oops, what the hell? My documents there. I don't know what we clicked on there. My documents, and let's see if we can find land surveying 1. Oh yes, there it is, and there's our technology survey there, and there it is as a PDF. I'll just push Control 0. Oops. Oh, there you go, and there you can see it's there, and it's a 2-page PDF, successfully printed and saved, so that we can go back and get that at some time and submit it into our journal of all the work that we've done associated with this. So there you go. That's how to print to PDF. 2 options. You can right click in the document, push print, or I did one just before on the using a different not Chrome or one of the other ones. So just to go into the document, push Control P. That'll enable you to print to PDF. So there you are, and give it a go and see how you go. Make sure you keep a nice logical structure so that you know where you're storing all your documents and you can retrieve them very quickly. So cheers.